Hello students, now today we see the recurrence relation for the moments of binomial distribution. So what is the recurrence relation for the moments of binomial distribution? So by definition of moments, we know that mu r is equal to expectation of capital X minus e of x raised to r. So here x is a binomial random variable and e of x is the mean of the binomial distribution and e of x is the NP. Now you know that mean of binomial distribution is NP and variance is NPQ. So expectation of x minus x p raised to r, by definition of expectation, this is the, so you know the expectation of x is equal to summation of x into p of x if x is a discrete random variable. Here x minus small x minus e of x is NP raised to r into p of x. X is going from 0 to n by definition of only mathematical expectation. But in case of binomial distribution, what is p of x? P of x is NCx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So you have mu r is equal to summation of x minus np raised to r NCx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Suppose this is equation 1. Then you differentiate equation 1 with respect to parameter p, then what we get? So here you are going to differentiate with respect to p. Derivative of mu r with respect to p is equal to NCx is free from p, so it is constant. So x minus np raised to r is a function of p. Similarly, p raised to x is a function of p. Q is equal to 1 minus p. So this is also a function of p. X minus np raised to r. So you know its derivative r into x minus np raised to r minus 1 into derivative of x minus np. So x minus np, derivative of x with respect to p 0 minus np means minus n. So you obtain here minus n into r x minus np raised to r minus 1 p raised to x into q raised to n minus x as it is by using product formula of derivative. Then x minus np raised to r as it is. So NCx is common, summation is common, into p raised to x. Derivative of p raised to x is the x into p raised to x minus 1. Q raised to n minus x as it is. Then plus NCx as it is into q raised to derivative of q raised to n minus x. NCx q raised to n minus x minus 1 into p raised to x as it is. Then you simplify this. Therefore, derivative of mu r with respect to p is equal to, here summation is going from x is going from 0 to n. Therefore, minus nr. So you take outside summation minus nr NCx x minus np raised to r minus 1 into p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So simplify this. Then plus here again summation of NCx x minus np raised to r this into, so here p raised to x minus 1. P raised to x minus 1 can be written as p raised to x into p raised to minus 1. P raised to minus 1 means 1 upon p. So you take p raised to x common. Therefore x minus np raised to r, p raised to x common, q raised to n minus x common. Then here x into p raised to minus 1 means x upon p. Then minus. Now here plus n minus x into q raised to n minus x minus 1 into derivative of q. Q means 1 minus p. Derivative of 1 minus p is minus 1. Therefore plus become minus here. So you see here. Then minus p raised to x common, q raised to n minus x common, then only q raised to minus 1 there. Therefore 1 upon q. Therefore n minus x upon q here. Then next step is this as it is plus here ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Here ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. This is the probability mass function of binomial distribution. So it is p of x. So x minus np raised to r minus 1 into p of x plus x minus np raised to r into p of x. P of x is this. So you simplify this. LCM is p into q. So if you simplify this, LCM is pq, then p cancel, x into q, then minus q cancel, p into n minus x, then is equal to xq minus pn minus px upon pq. Therefore, what is xq? Xq is again xq means x into 1 minus p. X into 1 minus p means x minus np minus np or pn minus px. So minus minus become plus. So np np cancel. Yeah, xp not np cancel, minus np minus px plus px cancel. So what is remaining? So remaining is x minus np only. So x minus np is remaining only. Then next step is derivative of mu r with respect to p is equal to minus nr into x minus np raised to r minus 1 into p of x as it is plus here 1 upon p cube outside the summation x minus p. So you remember that x minus p raised to r and here x minus np raised to 1. Therefore x minus np raised to r plus 1 into p of x. Now you observe here mu r is equal to summation of x minus np raised to r into p of x, and you observe here summation of x minus np raised to r minus 1 into p of x. So only r is replaced by r minus 1 here. Therefore this becomes mu r minus 1. So this term is the mu r minus 1 plus 1 upon pq as it is, and this is the only here r is replaced by r plus 1. Therefore this is x minus np raised to r plus 1 means mu r plus 1. So from this mu r. So you have here derivative of mu r with respect to p is equal to minus nr into mu r minus 1 plus 1 upon pq into mu r plus 1. So this can be written as mu r plus 1 upon pq into mu r plus 1 is equal to minus become plus n into r into mu r minus 1 plus derivative of mu r with respect to p, and next step you take 1 upon pq to this become n into r into mu r minus 1 plus derivative of mu r with respect to p into pq. So this is the recurrence relation for the moments of binomial distribution. Next we see what is the moment generating function of binomial distribution. Moment generating function of binomial distribution. Now by definition of moment generating function, you know that mxt, x is the random variable. mxt is equal to expectation of e raised to t capital X t into capital X. So by definition. So here binomial distribution is discrete distribution. Therefore this can be written as summation of x is going from 0 to n. So you know that e of x means summation of x into p of x. Here e raised to t into small x into p of x. And in case of binomial distribution, you know the probability mass function is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus 1. X is going from 0 to 1, 0 to n, e raised to tx into p of x. P of x means ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. Now here e raised to tx and p raised to x. E raised to tx in e raised to tx can be written as e raised to t into raised to x. Therefore, is equal to summation of e raised to tx into p raised to x. E raised to t raised to x means p into e raised to t and raised to x. ncx. So p into e raised to t and raised to x, that is p raised to x into e raised to tx into q raised to n minus x. X is going from 0 to n. Now you know that this is the q plus p into e raised to t raised to n. So this is the expansion of q plus p into e raised to n. Now you know that here ncx p raised to ex q raised to n x means that is the expansion of q plus p raised to n. So p is replaced by p into e raised to t. Therefore this is the expansion of q plus p into e raised to t raised to n. So this is the moment generating function of binomial distribution, q plus p into e raised to t and raised to n. So in this way we have complete the binomial distribution. So next lecture we see the Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is also the discrete distribution. So we stop here. Thank you.